So hello guys, this is Divy Shah and welcome to yet another video of No More. So guys, I am unboxing the Hacktoberfest Schwags. So this is my first unboxing on this channel. So let's see how's the experience to unbox this. So let's get started. For this, I'll take the scissors and the palette. So let's unbox it. So it's very simple package. Don't need any scissors. So this keeps aside. So first of all, guys, here is the brand new Hacktoberfest t-shirt. So I'll click the pics on it and I'll post this on this video. So end of the video and so here is the letter from Intel. As you can see the letter from Intel and the openapi.com. So guys, and this is from font.dev. So this is from Dev, and here is some cool stickers, guys. I'll show all this on the one surface. So as you can see the tail, so the DigitalOcean's fish here, so black two cats here. So this is the Hacktoberfest badge. So see. This is the Hacktoberfest badge. So all stuff is here. It's a DigitalOcean sticker. And some more stuff in this. First I'll check this all. Okay, now clear is all. So check this open source. You can say it's opensource.com. The circle CI. It's a JetBrains. Hacktoberfest sticker. That's a badge and this is the sticker. So this is the one more cool stickers. It's this Intel sticker. So guys, this is some cool stuff, and this is the most favorite color among the all swags. So guys, I'll show you one peek of all this. So swipe it. in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.